everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on onion skinning for annotations in Blender. I'm also going to show you how you can rename annotation layers and also how you can stabilize them. First, to turn on onion skinning for annotations, open the sidebar panel, click on View, and here, choose the annotation layer which you want to turn on onion skinning for it. And then click on this checkbox. By clicking on this triangle, get access to these settings for it. Next, let's see how you can stabilize annotations. To stabilize annotations, you could just start drawing and then press Shift on the keyboard. Or you could turn on Stabilize Sort from Tool Settings. You can also change Stabilize Sort settings, like radius and factor. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can rename annotation layers. To do that, open up the sidebar panel again and double-click on the layer which you want to rename it. Now you can change the name of this layer. And this is it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, atusa.colors, and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Goodbye!